Free throw shooting, Jolly. Binabanggit mo to at the half, tututukan natin. Free throw shooting in the third quarter, Air 21, 11 of 13. Halos walang sinayang. Rain or shine, 2 of 5.
Walang value point. They're not attacking the basket itong Rain or Shine. Kaya naman biglang
Jessica?
Yes, sir. Kaya kailangan natin, tulad ng sinabi niya, it has to be a collective effort. Diba? Support ng other players. Kasi the given players, yung mga magagaling, they're there, day in, day out. Pag sinuportahan pa ng the rest of the cast.
Aranya with a steal. Aranya switching hands in midair. Lamandang, Rain or Shine, 66-64.
Your strong hand always finishes very well. Itong si Ryan Aranya, nakita natin the time.
All 3 fourth quarter points ng Rain or Shine, courtesy of Aranya. Custodio, pinagpag si Chu. Iikot kay Wilson ang bola. Wilson to the corner. Ritualo. Oh! Long 2 para dito kay Renren. Kasama nila. Bagong pasok si JR Sena. At etong si Easy.
Partner, another one of those very streaky shooters. As we know, itong si Renren Ritualo, they cannot get him going. Nakita natin, partner. I'm sure yan ang sinabi din ni Coach Yang sa kanila. We went to the line only for a few times, 4 or 5 times lamang. Yun ang ibig sabihin nun. You're not getting fouled, you're not attacking the basket. Kaya ito, puro naman sila attacking now.
Chan to Belga. Sobra. Jerby underneath. Gets the 2 points against the shot clock.
Jerby Cruz getting that offensive board very well timed. At saka ngayon, making sure. Earlier, he missed that 2-pointer from the same spot. Pero ngayon, sinigurado na niya.
Cruz gambles. Sena making it pay.
One-hander galing dito kaya James Sena. Nicely done putting the ball on the floor. 1-2 dribbles.
Belga sa kabilang dulo. Hand off to Chan. Step back long 2-3. Pala yun!
You get to shoot started, partner. Yan ang problema. You have to have a hand in their face, especially guys like that, Jeff Chan.
Jeff Chan now with a conference personal high, 11 points for himself. Steal by Rain or Shine. Jeff Chan. Dire-diretso.
It's his second free throw.
Chan. Yeah. Pinasok yung pangalawa. So patuloy na gumaganda yung kanyang personal conference high. 12 puntos na ngayon for himself. 72-68, lamang ng 4 ang Rain or Shine. Custodio trying to carve out space kontra kay Chu. Dunnigan, handoff. Easy. Uy, kala ko ililista na.
Pagpatay sa kanya usually yan, mga 8-10 feet, pero not that time para kay Mark Easy.
Chan going down the gut of the defense. Niluwalang ng ring yung kanyang tira.
Pero very obvious, partner, na sinabi ni Coach Yang Yao, attack the basket, puro sila atake. Ryan Aranya, now we see a lot of attacks from Jeff Chan.
Custodio gets it down low. Easy has Chan switching out on him. The one-hander doesn't work. Cruz tracks it down.
Defense will play a very big key para makakuha ng win para sa bawat komponente ng partner. About making stops, as we see an air ball galing dito kay Ryan Aranya.
72-68, Rain or Shine. Pilit pinapangalagaan ang 4 na puntos silang kalamangan. Itong Air 21 ang may problema na naman sa kanilang opensa. They go to Dunnigan. Kick out pass. They swing it. Wilson for 3. Careful din.
Ryan Aranya had a piece of that, partner.
Chan on the run. Ritualo to beat. Sinalubong pa ni Wilson. Walang problema para kay Jeff Chan.
Panayang atake ng Rain or Shine, partner. Earlier, yung play ng Air 21, it's always from Michael Dunnigan, attack and then kick out.
Ritualo nanakaw. Tinuwa ng ring sa kabilang tulo.
Hindi nakaka-finish ang Air 21 players. That's why...
Rain or Shine via Ryan Aranya looking to capitalize. Nagmintis lang sila sa layup sa kabilang tulo.
Tama ka, partner. The good thing about it is he was trying to shake off yung kanyang kanan, which was not the hand he used for laying the ball in na pumasok. So kung yung kanan baka nakataw or baka yung step na.
Another steal by Rain or Shine. Jerby has Canaleta to beat. Nice sidestep by Jerby Cruz to get the 2 points.
Gotta love when a big guy puts the ball on the floor. 2-3 dribbles na ganyan. A big man, Jerby Cruz, able to finish for the basket.
This now is the first double-digit spread ng ating laro. 78-68. What a time for it to come para sa Rain or Shine. Air 21, pilit babawi. They go to the corner. Omolon for 3. No. Rebound Aranya. Rain or Shine is starting to take control, Johnny.
Very good defensive stop galing dito sa Rain or Shine. Tsaka partner, yung minimension natin earlier, yung kick out galing kay Michael Donegan sa mga teammates na hindi nila napipinish eh.
Belga with a floater. In and out. Chu peddling with Donegan para sa 21. Pinagpahinga si Custodio.
Shundo, pinakita natin at medyo napapakamot na siya dyan dahil
Address, all kinds of help are always welcome.
yes sir, siyempre prayers to Limbeng and his family this time.
78-68, Rain or Shine, looking to put Air 21 in their time of crisis. Panggaan na naman si Belga at Donegan sa pwestuhan. Chu na libre. Chris Chu delivers the 2 points.
Chris Chu, one of those deadly guards para dito sa Rain or Shine, partner. Kaya nakahanga ka rin sa Paul Lee, who's not in this ball game. Nandiyan na siya sa bench getting ready to check in. Pero he puts up very good numbers kahit na in the presence of itong sila Chris Chu and sila Ryan Aranya and Gabe Norwood were very good guards.
Donegan against 3. Nakuyog si Michael Donegan. Napulot naman siya this game. Nagbalik na nga sa laro. Ito si Paulie. Pinalitan si Chris Chu. Cortez betangan ng bola. They go to Donegan. Belga on him. Donegan picks up his dribble. Cortez aatake. Looking for Donegan. Canaleta sumasagupa. Cortez for 3 against the shot clock. No. Rodriguez with the rebound. Air 21 almost ran out of time.
Again, another nice stop para dito sa partner sa Rain or Shine at namagana sa 12 ang kanilang kalaban.
Ryan Aranya continues to hurt them. Air 21 looking to fight back. Canaleta bintis sa kanyang 3. So napako pa rin sila sa 4 na puntos pa lamang dito sa 4th quarter. 19 na ang dinadagdag ng Rain or Shine sa kanilang total.
Partner, I mentioned this earlier, kung sinong down the stretch, kung sinong makakapagpagawa ng mga stops, yun ang most likely makakakuha nitong ball game. Yan ang pinapakita ng Rain or Shine ngayon, partner. Tipid na tipid ang pinibigay nila ng mga scoring opportunities para sa Air 21.
Right on cue, Paul Lee nakaputata din dito kay Cortez. Nakabawi din siya. Rain or Shine would look to slow things down. Wala na pong 5 minuto natitira sa unang handog ng Easter Sunday basketball dito sa MOA Arena. Rodriguez nakuyog ng depensa. Arboleda fouled by Paul Lee.
Tagal na.
10.5 minute mark netong 4th quarter.
Oo, partner, matagal na. Pero ito, a good sign nakakuha ng stop itong Air 21 itong last play. Pero they need a basket badly.
Arboleda obliges. Knocks it through. Top
11 points.
And we're down by 14. And now, down by just 10. Tignan natin. 4.5. Sakto kayo natitira. More than enough time para sa Air 21. Aranya on the move. Puts it up and in. Ryan Aranya repeatedly hurting Air 21.
He knows, partner, that every time he attacks the basket, good things happen para dito kay Ryan Aranya. He either gets fouled or nakaka-finish siya ng fast break dyan. Earlier, he tried a 3-pointer. I think it hit air lamang. Pero ngayon, he's doing the right thing para sa kanyang kupunan na Rain or Shine.
Donegan, pull it pass out. Arboleda na naman. Back-to-back threes. Long to lang para dito kay Arboleda. But still, that brings them to within 10 points.
Keeping them within striking distance. Si Winnie Arboleda.
Shundov drops it off to Rodriguez. Taken away by Donegan.
Very good stop para dito sa Air 21, partner.
Arboleda to Cortez. Here's a 3. Ayaw talaga para dito kay Gulgat. Aranya for the rebound.
That would have been big. If Mike Cortez would have made that 3-pointer, we would have been down to 7.
Shundov to Lee. Paul Lee. Konting po ang kanya nakita. Kicks it out. Shundov buries the 3.
Nagpahead. Pumasok naman kaagad.
Shundov shoots better than 36% from that 3-point line. 4 of 5 sa gabing ito. 87-74 is the score. Air 21 looking to answer in a big way. Ritualo. Where will he go? Back to Canaleta. Arboleda looking for Donegan. They kick it out. Minor for 3. Air ball. Norwood for the rebound. Nag-aantay ng kasabay sa kanyang pagtakbo. They should have waiting lang. Ito naman yung half-court shot natin ngayon. Aranya once again. Very, very sneaky. Ito si Ryan Aranya.
Does that so well, finishing with his strong hand every time. Taas na nga percentage niya to be able to finish that left-handed layup.
Canaleta lines it up. Punches it through. That's a three. That keeps Air 21 within striking distance. 12 lang ang kailangan nilang habulin dito.
We need to make a stop. Partner, 2 minutes and 15. Air 21 has to make a stop right here to get something going.
Norwood to Shundov. Back to Norwood. Nakita pa si Rodriguez.
Rodriguez joining in the fun. Gabe with the assist. Shundov with his 3-pointers.
Speaking of assist, Gabe Norwood, pang-anim na assist na yun, ha? Para dito kay Gabe. 2-minute warning inside the MOA Arena. Mamaya po, San Mig Coffee kontra Barako Bull Energy Cola. As Dunnigan, throws it down. Beautiful pass coming from Isin.
Kala ko medyo mataas na yun, partner, pero inabot pa rin. Itong si Michael Dunnigan for the throw down.
Air 21 looking for a stop. Lidi Discarte. Arboleda on him. Paul Lee crossover in traffic. Paul Lee, no. Aranya rebound. Loses the follow though. Air 21 with a glimmer of hope here. Canaleta lines it up. Bang!
Coming down to 10 points, partner. Yun na lang ang deficit nitong Air 21.
Rodriguez pa napilita magtawid dito ng bola. Isip bothering him. At napuwersa na si
Ngayon, partner, bagong pasok lang yan after a long time hitting the bench. Itong si Shundov.
Prestone tulat nga gamit niya. Okay lang, kahit malamig. Papasok pa rin ang kanyang tira. Paulie naghahanap ng pantiin dito, almost losing his footing. Nadaga yata dahil napupot sa kanyang footing. Masakit yan, pare.
Oo.
Dahil kahit siya yung magpe-free throw, hindi na siya pwedeng bumalik dito.
Dito makikita natin where he's going to get clipped,
Laking tuhod lang.
Yun, malaking tuhod. There 21 dito, partner. That's Canaleta on the line. He makes his first. He can put this down to
65 seconds remaining. Air 21, those gotta go quick. Arboleda in the front court kontra kay Aranya. Now Norwood switches out on him. Canaleta hindi makawala dito kay Aranya. Shundov clears the board.
Kind of a tough shot para dito kay KG Canaleta. Step back, 3-pointer. Almost went in though. Back iron lamang.
And that should do it. Etong Rain or Shine looks like they will be tying Alaska at the top of the team standings once again, snapping this 4-game win streak of Air 21.
Always playing very well. The Rain or Shine. You cannot be relaxed when you play this team, partner. Andyan sila palagi. Very balanced basketball. Collective efforts from everyone. Larry Rodriguez, Chad, Ryan Aranya. Parang papabayaan na siya dito. Hindi na siya mag-a-attempt.
Pero may diferensya pa ang shot clock at game clock. So Ryan Aranya, titignan niya. Kung mauobra ang kanyang kamay mula sa labas, ayaw talaga. Ang ganda naman ng nilaro nito ni Ryan Aranya just when his team needed it most. Shundov, what a performance all throughout the game. Pero nung napal trouble siya, sino